We must tear down that wall. To affirm the dignity of our lives, we must tear down that wall. This nation is daring and decent. We must tear down that wall. We must tear down that wall. Tear down that wall. They had their moment. They have not led. We will. They've had their chance. They have not led. We will. They had their moment. They have not led. We will. They've had their chance. They have not led. We will. Ben Franklin was here, Thomas Jefferson, and of course George Washington, or as his friends called him, George W.